Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. It's time to update our view on the Bitcoin market. Well, situation here is not very simple because from one point of view market stands at the support. As you can see, it is confidence support on a daily, on a 4-hour time frame chart, on a daily chart as well. That is based on the major 3.8 fib level. At the same time, you could see some acceleration here, which is not really good for Bitcoin market, and here due to this reason, we have to recall our alternative scenario where market could drop as long as to the 618 support to the 80 even area and to form a kind of the hand and shoulders here on a daily chart. As you can see, that could become left shoulder head and that could become right shoulder. So that's also possible. Mostly it will depend on what will happen around the major 618 support and 38 support, which is also confidence on the intraday chart. Currently, guys, I would suggest that theoretically it is possible taking the long position, but as soon as market will show at least minor bounce here, most stuff will break even. Because currently I am not sure that's definitely the continuation to the 11 even and the 13 even target. In the current circumstances, it seems more that it could be minor pullback to respect this confidence support, and then we could get the further downward action. Currently, I would suggest that's more probable scenario, just based on the action that I see here. On the 4-hour time frame chart, that's our major chart to keep an eye on. Take a look what we have. We have two different ABCD patterns. First is our initial ABC top that we discussed, and actually that's hand and shoulders that we have traded. If you remember, this OP target has been hit. Take a look, market has taken the shape of the ABCD retracement. That's our godless triple to sell that we have traded as well. And market just continued downward action. With this downward action, you do not see the slowdown. You see the acceleration rate to the confidence. Yes, this level is rather strong, and probably it will hold market for some time. But when you see the acceleration after the OP, so OP has been hit, when you see just the ABC retracement and acceleration down, you are suggesting that market really could continue action back to the downside side to the XOP, which is 86 area. And theoretically, it is possible downward continuation to the major 618 support, because on the daily chart you can see this is some kind of the range. It's consolidation, and where precisely market will stop, whether it will hit it precisely 618 or will stop a bit above it. So, but anyway, that will be in around 80 even. 80 even, 88 and a half. So somewhere in this area. In the current circumstance, guys, that's the first ABCD. The next ABCD we have inside of the flag pattern. That's potentially bullish because it's forming after the rally. Inside of the ABCD we have flag pattern, we have another larger ABCD pattern with the OP around 88 even area. It's also lower bar of this pattern. So it means that if you intend to take the long position on the confidence support, it's possible actually, but you should acknowledge that we do not have any bullish reversal pattern here except just the strong fib level. But still, if you would like to take the long, initially you have to place stop below this ABCD pattern, because market, if somehow it will drift lower to complete the OP, it could rebound up from here. Something that was happening in this area. If you remember, we talked about this moment. This was really tricky, but market later has appeared to form the godless triple to buy, and indeed upward action has started. Something of that sort could happen here. So market could drift lower to complete the OP, but then pullback really could start. If it will start and when it will start, move stop to the break-even immediately and keep an eye on the nearest standing target. I would suggest this will be around 95.80. That corresponds to the harmonically to this stop. Because in the current circumstances, guys, somehow my suggestion is that pullback probably will be, but it's not will be very strong, and hardly it will be immediate upward reversal and upward continuation. In the current circumstance, when you see this development of the price action and acceleration to the downside, I gravitate more to the idea of the minor pullback and then downward continuation. That's my major scenario currently. It seems that still we could get them head and shoulders on the daily chart. So, and following this logic, choose what you like more. Either trying to take a position here with the minor retracement if you're trading on the intraday chart, that is possible, or just wait for a more reliable level where a market will starts to form a greater pattern on the daily chart, and keep an eye on this for the drop to the first to the XOP, maybe even right to this area. So 82, 86, that will be the next destination point on the Bitcoin market. So that's our view on the cryptocurrency.